What? No more pain from the past. Wouldn't that be wonderful? Hey, everybody, Cal Banyan. I'm back. Cal Banyan's Hypnosis, etc. Get all my videos and course schedule on calbanyan.com. No more pain from the past. Wouldn't that be wonderful? And as a hypnotist, that's what I help people experience. And as a hypnosis instructor, that's what I teach other hypnotists to do. Oh, the old anger, old guilt, old fears from the past, they have this thing of creeping their way into the present. That's right. Similar situations, or when you feel a little bit angry or frustrated or sad or whatever, what happens, it activates the limbic system in your brain. And what happens is similar emotions from the past, old fears, old anger, old guilt can resonate into the present. See, clients typically don't come to me saying, I want to work on the past. They come because they want a better future. But you can't have a better future until you've neutralized all the old fear, anger, guilt from the past. So I call this kind of hypnotism alchemy. That's right. I want you to think of old fear, old useless anger, old useless guilt is like lead. All it does is hold you back. All it does is weigh you down. All it does is take up your energy. What 5-path hypnotists do, they're trained to neutralize that old useless guilt, useless anger, useless frustration from the past. And they transform it into something of a super high value, something that's like gold. Turn useless emotions like old anger and fear into wisdom and even gratitude. That's right. So all that stuff in the past that creeps up, the emotions or the memories, and you deal with it over and over and over again, you get a hold of a good 5-path hypnotherapist, or you become a 5-path certified hypnotherapist, which includes 7-path self-hypnosis training. You can transform yourself and others. Truly, truly release those old painful feelings of the past, limiting beliefs, transform them from lead to gold. 5-path hypnotists like myself, we're alchemists of mind, body, emotions, and spirit. And it's all done with 5-path self-hypnosis and 5-path hypnosis and hypnotherapy and 7-path self-hypnosis. You want to learn how to do that for yourself? You want to learn how to do that for others? Go to calbanyan.com, check out my classes, and also don't let this be the last video you ever saw from me. All of my videos, over 600 videos on every topic in the world of hypnosis, I can't even think of anything that's not on there, is there for free on calbanyan.com. Just log in, free VIP membership, and then maybe I'll see you in class one day. All right, Cal Banyan, over and out.